Here we are at the property 15 Commodore Court. As you can see, walking into the entrance area, very spacious, which then links onto your kitchen area and onto your living room area. The kitchen does have a fridge freezer present. The property is electric only, so there is no gas at the property. Also comes with a washing machine and various storage units. Lots of storage here. Property comes with electric oven and also electric hob. Sink area here. There's also like a breakfast bar on the end here. So now into the living room, which is sort of joined onto the side. So we do have views out here into the car park area, where I think you are allocated a space. Property does have electric heaters throughout. There is a storage area here with some hooks, quite a large storage space there. And further down the hallway to the left, we have one of the two bedrooms, which is a smaller bedroom. Again with the electric heater. Just come over here. Property is unfurnished, so there will be no furniture in the property. This is the main bedroom, the larger bedroom, bedroom number 1. So this is quite a large room. Both rooms I would say are double. This one is the larger out of the two. And then leading off to the bathroom. So we have the bath and the overhead shower with the glass shower screen. Obviously the toilet, we've got heated towel rail and the sink area here with the mirror. Obviously supplied with towelling, all the accessories here. Quite a large bathroom. Leading back onto the hallway area. Again, in here is just mainly just for the water tank, not really any great deal of storage in there. And leading back on out to the kitchen and the living room area.